how to create a home office and productivity tools website from scratch for free using squarespace.com. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to explain how you can create your website for free using squarespace.com. So let's get started. So those are some pre-made templates that will help us build our website. So this is the thing I like about Squarespace. It gives a pretty decent templates that you can work with and save time by just adjusting little things like changing the header and logo and some texts, and you will have a good website to use for your requirements. So here you can filter by the type of your website, if it's an online store or a portfolio or a membership. Also you can filter by the topic, as you can see here. So our topic is a home office and productivity tools, so it's an online store. So let's just start with that, and then let's go with home and decor to see what we have in this area. So here we have some good furniture. So I'm going to use this template. I'm just going to click on preview Candy, which is the name of the template. So I'm going to see the template first, click on view demo site to see the website in full width. So this is how the website looks. So as you can see, we have some chairs and stuff like that. We have some furniture. So we can adjust that to our liking and change some things and make this website meet our requirements. So just click on start with this design and wait for them to set things up for us. It will take less than 1 minute, and then they will request us to give them a title for our site. You can always skip that step, but for me I'm going to give it a title because I want to organize my work, because you can create multiple websites using Squarespace. So I want to organize my work by giving a title for everyone and each website I create. So after giving it a title, you just click on continue, and then you close these tabs because we are done with them. So let's close, and in your left you will see a variety of sections. So I'm going to explain each and every one of these sections. So I'm going to start with website, where you can add pages and change the pages that you already had. You can also delete the ones that you don't like, so you can work with that. It's pretty easy to work with this platform. Then we have commerce section, where you can add products and manage orders, inventory, customers. If you want to change the ways that you sell with, like sell with memberships or custom merch, give them a subscription plan for your customers. So you can do various things in that section. Here we have the marketing section, which is pretty obvious for setting your pixels and for organizing your email campaigns and your SEO appearance. It's pretty obvious from the name. And then we have the scheduling, which is basically for the people that offers services or consultation, or psychiatrists or lawyers, for them to set a calendar for their clients to schedule appointments or meetings. Then we have the asset library, where you can upload your pictures and images that you want to use in the design. So you can just leave them and save them in here to use in other time. And we have also analytics, where you can see your chart, where you will have your sales, traffic, geography, return conversion rate, orders, units sold. And for now we have no data, obviously we just created the website. And last but not least, we have settings, where you can set your domain's name, your Google Workspace, make your site public rather than private. You can change the site's languages also, and the regional settings. And here you can change the store payments If you want to set up your payment gateways like your Stripe account, PayPal, and your Square account if you are from the United States, also you can change the currency of your store. So let's proceed to see how we can edit this template. So we just click on edit and watch this page expand to give us more space and to let us focus on designing our website. So just give it some seconds, guys, and it will expand eventually, as you can see, and it will show up some add sections button here, add block button in here also, and we will be ready to design our website. So as you can see, this is the add section button that I talked about and the add block, and here you can edit this section by clicking on this edit section. You can change the format, change the background also. If you want to upload an image in this background right in here, you can also adjust, you can also change from image to video to art, and you can also change the colors. As you can see here, you have variety options of colors, and here you can change the fill screen if you want to undo that, if you want the height to be medium or long or small, also the alignment if you want it in the middle or in the top or the bottom, also if you want to change the styling. So you can do all that just from that button. And here by going to the top, you can edit the site's header by changing the logo or giving it another logo or changing the site's title. And you can change also the elements, style. You can see it in the desktop view and the mobile phone view. And I forgot to show you that in your top right, you have the desktop view and the mobile phone view. As you can see, if you want to adjust it to be responsive to mobile phones, you can do that in here. So you will need to take these headlines and place them in the middle. All those, place them in the middle. Also this one, we will need to shorten it a little bit and place it in the middle. Just click on it and you will be able to adjust it to your like. So here we can just click on this one and you can place it on the middle, and also you can shorten it a little bit by going here, click on this one, and you can choose the width of the typing. So let's leave that for now, and let's go to the last thing that I'm going to show you, which is the styles. If you want to change the site styles from fonts to colors, as you can see, you can change fonts, colors, animations just from here. So let's close this one. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you find this video very useful, and if you enjoy watching this video and if you find it educational, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share the video with your friends.